kind of a simple story. I wanted something a lot more hands-on. And I learned that this country has a dire need of all specialties, especially electricians. I decided that's something I want to look into. That's when I found Gaylor. Every day is something new. I figure out what the task needs to be done and how do I do that task most efficiently and productively as well. Where I'm from in Tampa, in Florida, everyone from these other states are moving down here, which means that we have to have the infrastructure and the buildings and the capacity to allow these people to get here. That's part of why I chose electrical. There's always going to be a need for it. Definitely confidence has gone up. The person I was 10 months ago is not the same that I am now. I've learned not only how electrical works, but how construction works. I really want to learn how all these big jobs operate. Once I get my journeyman, I hope I get more responsibility, focusing on continuing to do the best work that I possibly can. It is a goal to stay with Gaylor because they value each and every individual that works for them. Every day I'm motivated to continue doing good work. Gaylor to me means it really comes down to, almost like family. They've really shown me the future that I didn't even know I was possible of having. Being able to prove to myself that I'm able to do these things makes me proud. If I go home tired, it means I had a really good day and I was very productive that day. It's a blessing, really.